From a distance, this might look like a real pistol, but it's actually an airsoft gun. This is the Glock 17 Airsoft, a popular choice for airsoft players around the world. It's known for its realistic design, comfortable grip, and smooth performance. Airsoft guns like this one are used in tactical games and training simulations. They shoot small plastic BBS and are designed for sport and recreational gameplay. The Glock 17 style is especially popular because it looks clean, simple, and very realistic. Many airsoft players choose it for its reliability and easy handling during matches. What do you think about this airsoft pistol? Would you use it in a game?